After how many breakdowns? I've never seen a campground in August like this.
On the way to dinner, we look behind us. Guess who was getting pulled over?
Pavarotti over here tried to tell me that I, didn't do well.
The day could not go unfulfilled without MJ injuring herself.
Welcome to part 2 of this amazing adventure, RV headed south. So if you missed part 1, which got us to where we are now, we will link that up above. But here we go, and now this is really gonna be the adventurous part. We just left Planet Fitness, and we are about to check into our campground. We're about 10 minutes from there.
So definitely RV resort type place we're going to. We're looking forward to it. We're there for what, 7 days?
Yep.
7 days. And then we have 2 days back home. So far we've traveled well over 800 miles. We're probably pushing 1,000 miles now. But we had a couple days in between breaks. So this morning was actually a really nice drive. It was like a 3-hour drive and it felt like 5 minutes.
We're here! Woo! After how many breakdowns?
Just one.
And a couple issues, but we made it. Izzy has fixed all the issues, as always.
Fuel pump module, guys. Make sure you carry one, an extra one.
Made it here safe and sound, and we are at beautiful Nashville Shores campground.
Where is this located?
This is in Hermitage. Well, it's Nashville, but it's
Hermitage, it's like all one combined neighborhood.
If you're from this area, tell us what this means. It's Hermitage, it's Nashville, whatever.
Yeah.
And I'm sure I'm probably saying that wrong, and somebody's gonna correct me. But we have a beautiful spot. We just got an upgrade on our spot. So because they had to take down trees because of a hornet's nest or something, so they said we upgraded you. So we're right on the water, which is really nice.
So we have 7 nights we're staying here and then a couple days back, but the weather is supposed to be absolutely perfect.
Every day sunny and like 80s.
It's going to be beautiful every single day.
Yeah, what did we notice when we came in here? What's going on here?
There's nobody here. It's
There's
dead.
nobody here. Now I know that I think the kids are back in school because the water park, they have their own water park here, which we will be taking advantage of. Yeah. That is closed during the week, so the kids are back in school. But I've never seen a campground in August like this.
No, I'm not complaining.
No, it's pretty awesome.
More for us to do. So if you come to Nashville, you know one big thing with Nashville is that they are known for their hot chicken. So I ordered Nashville hot chicken, and it comes in different levels. It's like plain, light, mild, hot, medium. It's all different flavors. So I got hot. So let's see if I can handle this, because these are ooh.
That is big.
That's a big tender. That's really good. Wow, that's good. So we're 2 tenders in. I have to say, this is extremely spicy. My mouth is on fire right now. I'm a little stuffy here, but as you can see, if you just kind of look at the chicken, it's very heavily coated in spice. I'm starting to tap out on the chicken and just go to the front. This is hot. So we're here at this really, really cool candy store, and I have a question for you guys. Would you ever drink bacon flavored soda, peanut butter and jelly flavored soda, or pickle flavored soda, apple pie flavored soda? Let me know down below if you would drink these weird soda flavors, because they sound very, very intriguing.
Downtown Nashville, first night, just kind of little preview, was pretty awesome.
It was really cool.
Honky Tonk, right?
Yes.
Honky Tonk.
That area, yeah. But today cannot go unfulfilled without MJ injuring herself. And we'll let her speak to this. We parked at a parking garage, and maybe you could explain this better.
I wasn't paying attention,
Yeah.
so we're walking down the crosswalk. But then it narrowed,
Yeah.
and people were leaving, and the
big
arm of
right on her face.
Izzy was talking to me. I turned around, and as I turned, the arm right into my mouth. And what the funniest part was is that I heard him say, "Babe," and he was waiting. Should I laugh, or is she really hurt? You didn't know.
I was thinking, as it was happening, I'm saying she's really not going to walk into this, and she walked into it.
And then you saw it was okay. I actually cried, laughed kind of, because I don't know what I was thinking. But then, I gave you the okay to laugh, and then, everybody a good laugh.
We are at National Indoor RV Center in Nashville. It's actually Lebanon, Tennessee, just outside of Nashville. Let me tell you something. This is some facility here. It is absolutely enormous. The people are awesome, as usual.
So we met up today with Brett Davis and Angie Morel. If you don't know, Angie is the face of NIRVC on all their videos.
And Brett is the owner of NIRVC.
Brett is the owner, yes. So you've probably seen them, heard of them. But we have some things in the works.
Let's just say it's been a very good day.
Now,
there's going to be some good content coming out that you're going to enjoy.
The thing is, if this video that we're talking about is already out, we will link it above, because it very well maybe we're going to try to get it out as soon as possible.
So it is about 4:30. We are going to head out to Brentwood, Tennessee, grab some dinner, a bite to eat, and just head back and relax.
We're going to see how the rich folks live.
Yes.
Apparently that's where all the country celebrities,
live,
we'll bring you along.
We just had a delicious dinner at, what's the place called?
Cheddar's Scratch Kitchen.
Cheddar's Scratch Kitchen in Brentwood, Tennessee. And the food there was delicious, and I had a Caesar salad. And then before we got to dinner, let's tell a little funny story. We were on the way to dinner and we looked behind us and we saw a cop car, and guess who was getting pulled over?
So we're 2 for 2 driving south and getting pulled over. If you remember last year when we were in Orange Beach,
Yes.
Alabama, I got pulled over. I think it was driving with New Jersey plates. That was definitely the case today. No speeding. There was no lane changes.
Not at all.
I saw him when we pulled off the highway, but I'm like, this guy didn't pull me over. But they were super cool. I ID'd myself. They, asked them where the restaurant was, and they let us on. They were doing their job, right? Nice town, Brentwood. See that shady New Jersey plate driving around. Yeah, we've had a long day. It's 7 o'clock now. We're heading back.
Now we're just,
very productive day.
Yes, it was very awesome.
And I'm hiding in the back because the Amazon can't fit back here.
I can't fit. If you want to look at my legs pretty much bang up against Izzy's car, so that's kind of fun.
Back in downtown Nashville, we just left the Country Music Hall of Fame. You can definitely spend many hours there for sure.
Yeah, we were there actually about an hour, 40 minutes, because we have to go, we're headed to the Opry next, Grand Ole Opry, but that was very cool.
That was awesome.
What did you like? There was a lot to, you literally could spend all day in there. This is Elvis's car. It's amazing what he did. Close to 40 coats of paint. What was it? Like crushed diamonds and fish scales or something? This is unbelievable. It has a fridge, a phone, refreshment bar. Unbelievable. Seeing all the records.
Being able to see everything. I know a lot of people know who Taylor Swift is, very popular. It's cool to see all like her art boxes, everybody in country really. You could see all their guitars, the clothes that they wore back then. It was really, really cool.
I liked it too because they took you from very beginning of when country music just got started. So that was really, really neat to see, and it just took you through all the decades of where we are today. And they had something that was very cool, that you could put headphones on and record a song. And Pavarotti over here tried to tell me that I, didn't do well, but
no, I didn't.
He said, are you gonna talk it this time? Which I sang. I didn't talk it. I said, We Will Rock You, which is kind of a talky song anyway. You're a boy, make a big noise, playing in the street, gonna be a big man someday. We will rock you. Go ahead.
So more importantly, we're gonna go look for food now.
Yes, of course.
Because the weather is perfect out.
It is. So we're gonna eat, and then we're heading to the Grand Ole Opry. Did you get it?
Yes, we got it.
A lot of flies coming in.
There's a lot.
Just got back from the Grand Ole Opry. I gotta tell you, that was amazing.
Probably one of the coolest things I've ever experienced. I have to admit, that was really awesome.
No, really big names tomorrow, and I know Carrie Underwood's gonna be there, but it was such a wide variety of talent.
Yeah.
It was so enjoyable, and it wasn't really packed either because there was, like I said, no big people there. So we just got back. It's about 10 o'clock. We're going to turn it in. It's been a long day. We went to the Country Music Hall of Fame.
Which was also an awesome experience.
Really cool. We've been out for like 9 hours, so it's been a long day.
So we've already traveled over 1,000 miles. This is my partner in crime right here for cleaning up. It's going to be released Now I have it right now in a foam sprayer. Release is an all-in-one cleaner. It's going to clean paint, fiberglass, your awnings, your carpets, your furniture, your toilet. It cleans every kind of material out there. It's safe on all surfaces, non-toxic, no sulfur. We have a couple marks here. We have some carcasses here. You can see very close. I want MJ to demonstrate.
The sun's not on it.
And I'm going to show you over here. The mirror takes up a lot of it. But I'm just going to spray this in the foam dispenser. I'm going to let it do its work while MJ talks. And then come over here and look at the back of the Mustang. This has really been treated poorly. I'm just going to spray right here really quick. And when I'm talking about one-stop shopping, it literally is one-stop shopping. If you buy the 1 gallon, you will get 80 of these 32 ounces from 1 gallon concentrate. Can you towel me, please? All right, here's the towel. We gave it its minute to work. We showed you what was going on, and you see everything is live. I'm just going to easily, that's it, it's gone. Remember, you just saw those bugs on there? Wiped away, gone, because release associates with the dirt and it just kind of takes it away. Remember all the bugs over here? I'm going to show you before and after. Right here's my towel. Let's just start wiping. There is zero effort, guys. There's no photoshopping here. There's no tricks. Like, that is how easy it is. Let me just wipe the streaks away. Show them that. But I got a little piece here. Hold on. Let me just get that one. Gone. Magic. And now let's go over to the Mustang really quick. I'm going to show you a new clean piece of towel. Just going to wipe. Look at that. Just wiping, and it's super clean. That was on the bumper. That's disgusting. That's what comes out of our carpets. If you're interested in getting your release cleaner, SideQuestUSA.com. We're going to put their link down below. You want to use the discount code ENDLESS10, get you 10% off your purchase. Any purchase $75 or above is going to be free shipping. They are a US-based company. They're big supporters of the channel. More importantly, they make an absolutely outstanding product. We'll put all their information down below.
We've only been to one state fair in our lives, and that's the New Jersey State Fair. And I don't even know if we can compare. we haven't been there in a long time. Let's just put it there.
Some shootings and stabbings that go on.
Unfortunately, yes, in the past.
Pretty much every year.
Yeah, so we're really excited to see the Tennessee State Fair. It's running for a while. It's in Lebanon, Tennessee, which is actually over near NIRVC. So we're going to check that out. It looks like they have some really cool things. I want to see a state fair with a southern twist. Like, they got the pig races and different kinds of food and things.
Why did they have the like the lady with the beard? Or that little tiny dwarf lady that they have. She travels the country.
We got to see that, because the New Jersey State Fair, you would pay, $5 to walk into this little dollhouse, and there would be a 2-foot woman.
But she really was.
She was she was real, sitting there in a in a little chair, and it's horrible. And she just sits there, and people walk past and just stare at her. It's so weird. I don't know if they're gonna have that kind of stuff here. I kind of hope not, because it's sad. But I want to see. They have monster truck races and all different cool stuff.
I can't do it. I want you to sit closer to the handle. 3, 2, 1. You touch.
Heading over to the water park.
Yes.
It looks like it's pretty empty, so maybe we'll have most of the water park to ourselves.
Yeah, the water park's only open now on the weekends because of school being back. So our hope is that it's going to be kind of like a Wally World situation. We get to go in there, we get the whole park to ourselves. So we'll see.
And today's going to be 88 and sunny.
Yeah, it's going to be really nice.
It's going to be beautiful.
I'm going back.
No,
Of course, I'm going backwards! Yeah! Wow! Oh my God!
there we go.
Oh my God!
Are you having fun?
Oh my God, yes! we're at home back in New York City.
Very interesting smells.
He's so tired.